Hello and welcome to this video on async and await in JavaScript. Async and await are important concepts in JavaScript that help us write asynchronous code in a synchronous way. In this video, we will discuss what async and await are, how they work, and why they are useful. What is asynchronous programming? Asynchronous programming is a way of writing code that allows it to execute concurrently with other code. This means that multiple tasks can be performed at the same time, without blocking the execution of other tasks. In JavaScript, we use asynchronous programming to perform tasks that require a lot of time, such as fetching data from a server, without blocking the execution of other tasks. What are async and await? Async and await are two keywords that were introduced in ES 2017. They are used to write asynchronous code in a synchronous way. Async is used to define a function that returns a promise, while await is used to wait for the result of a promise. How do async and await work? When an async function is called, it returns a promise. The promise is resolved with the return value of the function, or rejected with an error if an error occurs. Inside the async function, we can use await to wait for the result of a promise. When we use await, the execution of the function is paused until the promise is resolved or rejected. Why are async and await useful? Async and await make asynchronous programming easier to write and understand. They allow us to write code that looks synchronous, but is actually asynchronous. This makes our code easier to read and debug. Async and await also allow us to handle errors more easily. We can use try-catch blocks to catch errors that occur inside an async function. In conclusion, async and await are powerful tools for writing asynchronous code in a synchronous way. They make our code easier to read and debug, and allow us to handle errors more easily. Asynchronous programming is an important concept in JavaScript, and understanding async and await is essential for writing efficient and effective code. Thank you for watching this video on async and await in JavaScript. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Until next time, happy coding!